Hello Stampers, I'm Kelly Acheson at stampabove.com coming to you from Menasha, Wisconsin. I have a huge tip for you for my Wait, what? Wednesday tip video. It's all about making it easier to mount your cling stamps. I know sometimes, and especially with words, I almost always get them a little bit off, and it makes me a little crazy because they're so sticky you can't hardly reposition them, right? The stickers we're talking about. So I'm going to show you a tip that was shared with me by one of my team members. Love my team. And I hope it's something that will change your world when you're mounting stamps as much as it has mine. I have got a brand new stamp set here. This is called Ghoulish Goodies. I absolutely love Halloween, so I'm excited to be mounting this so I can get it ready to make some cards. This is our red rubber stamps, and with our red rubber stamps, you know that we have stickers that go on them for cling purposes. So what you're going to do is you're going to take that backing, I just fling it, right? Take that backing off of your stamp. And then this is the bird cage. We're going to come over here to the sticker. Now what I've done in the past is you find the side that has the stickers that you can pull off, is I have opened up the middle and I've pulled both of these pieces off, and then I have taken my stamp and positioned it on this paper. Well, one of my team members showed me a different way to do this, and I really like it. So you're going to open that up just a little bit to get it started, and now you're going to peel right at the very edge, and you're going to get the sticker with the backing. Before we peel the backing off, now you're going to keep the backing on there, okay? So we're going to take that, and we're going to put it right on our acrylic block. Okay, so this is what we have. Now I'm going to grab my take your pick tool, and I am going to put the pokey end in. I love this little tool. If you don't have one, you really do need to get one. And you're going to take off that backing. Now we're going to grab our stamp. You're going to stand directly over it and get it really close until you feel like you are perfectly matched up with your sticker and your rubber, and give it a good push just like you're stamping. That looks absolutely perfectly in place. Now, I like to use my take your pick tool. These are super sticky at first, so I put my tool under there and I just peel up an edge, and then I can easily peel it like this. If you would like your stamps to be a little less sticky, you can take them and put them on your clothing a couple times. Don't just make sure you're not covered with like cat or dog hair or something. That won't be fun. But that'll make them a little less sticky. But when I use my stamps, I mount them. When I get ready to take them off the block, I put my pokey tool in there to peel up that edge so I don't tear my foam. Want to see another one? Let's do one more. Okay, we've got this tree. And I'm just going to peel up that center just a little bit so that I get it started basically. Now I'm going to take the entire sticker off. I'm going to put it on my block. We're going to find the tree here, peel off the backing, and now we're going to use our pokey tool to get this backing off of our sticker. Okay, and then I'm going to look at the stamp. I want to see what that looks like. Oh, that's interesting, isn't it? It's kind of got, oh, it's a branch that comes in from the side. I'm like, what is the deal? Like, why is there a sideways owl and a bat flying sideways? But you actually stamp it like this. There's a bat hanging upside down, a moon. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to put this down here. Make sure that we have this going the right way. There we go. And now again, you're going to stand directly over your stamp and line this up because you can see through that acrylic block. You can get it on there perfectly every time. Peel it up just a little bit. I'm going to stick it on my clothes a couple times and it'll be a little bit less sticky. Now, I like to mount my stamps in the case. I like to peel this backing off, this entire part that you would normally throw away. And some people don't. They just throw this outside rubber edge away, but I like to keep it in my stamp case. It helps me know that all my stamps are in here and there are none missing. Okay, so I would obviously mount all of these, but I like to do this. And then before I put my stamps away, I can go like this and go, oh, I'm missing two. Where are those? And get those back in my case before I do that. And I just put them down in here, sticker side down, and people have asked me if I have trouble with them sticking to the case and ruining them. I have never, ever, ever had that happen, and I always do this. And now I know all my stamps are in here before I put them away. I hope this tip has been helpful for you. It was a real game changer for me because I seem to have a hard time getting the labels on, especially the words straight. I think this is going to work fabulously for me, and I love that we can now put the stickers on the stamps and they stick to our blocks, right? Thank you so much for joining me for this video today. If you would like to order any supplies from Stampin' Up, you'll find my host code right here. This is my blog, or you can click right up here in the corner. That'll take you right to my blog where you're going to find an online ordering button. We have a fabulous stamp sale starting today. Make sure you go to my blog and check it out. There are a whole bunch of stamp sets that are on sale for one day only. It's a 24-hour flash sale, Wednesday, September 23rd only. So I hope you'll go take a look at that and get a discount on some stamps that you maybe have on your wish list or you didn't know you needed, but you do now. All right, you guys, if you do not have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, I'd be happy to earn your business. I would also love to send you our current catalogs. We have a big catalog, okay, filled with all kinds of amazing things. And our holiday mini catalog that goes through the end of December. I think it ends on January 4th. Full of fall, winter, Christmas, Thanksgiving, Halloween, you name it, we've got it in here. Absolutely beautiful products. I would be happy to send both of these to you if you do not have a hard copy. Pop me an email right here at kelly@astampabove.com. And let me know if you have any questions. I'm always happy to answer those. Now remember, today is Wednesday. Wednesday is my not only tip of the week video, but also my joke of the week. I like to share something funny every Wednesday on my blog. Head right over here. Get yourself a little giggle today. We all need a little something to laugh about, especially during these trying times. Make sure you click down here to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You don't want to miss anything I have coming out. And watch for my brand new online class. I will be sharing some samples on Friday with the Arrange a Wreath bundle. This gorgeous bundle, you can make so many different cards, absolutely beautiful die cut images. I can't hardly wait to share this with you. You guys have yourselves a wonderful Wednesday. Bye-bye.